So namaskara students, this is the chapter that is class 13, right? So today is class 13 division practice we have done already. We will see, yes, little more, okay, we'll learn. So I will just little bit revise what we have studied yesterday, isn't it? So we have done how to do the division. We have learned how to do the division, okay. So if you take 19 how much? Yes, 66 will not come in the table. So what you have to do? We have to divide, that is 19 3s how much? 57. Okay, 19 3s 57. So 57 means how much will be remaining? That is 9 will be remaining. So 9 if you take, it will become 91. So 19 5s how much? 95. So we cannot take. 19 4s 76. Yes, 76 means how much will be remaining? That is, yes, 14, right? No, 15 will be remaining, it will become 152. So 19 8s 152. So we carry forward the remainder and we do it, right? So 348 will be the answer. That is how we do the division, isn't it? Yes.
Sir, can you explain this question once again?
So okay, so this is how you have to do. Okay, yes. So students, this division direct we have already studied, isn't it? What we have to do, we just have to keep on solving in a simple way, isn't it? So here
The answer 48260 is 2540.
yes. So 19 2s are 38. 38 means from 48 10 will be remaining. 102. 19 5s are 95. 7 will be remaining. 76. 19 how much is 76? 19 4s are 76. 19 how much is 0? 19 zeros are 0. So 2540 will be the answer. Got it? So this is the division we have learned directly. Now we will learn the division in step method. So if you don't know the table of bigger and bigger number, then how to do, right? So we have to do one by one. Okay, so if you see 24 is there, that is a bigger table. It will come in which table? Yes, 24 will come in both, that is 6 table it will come. So first we have to do 6 table. We have to do it first 6 table. Okay, so that is what is the step method. Okay, so first which table is easy, that table we have to take and divide. Okay now, so here you can check. So 6 we will divide. We will divide with 6 for both the numbers. 6 4s are 24. What is the answer? 6 4s are 24. 4 will come now. Here also we have to divide with 6 only. What you have to do? First we have to divide with 6 for the both the numbers. So divide it, whatever the answer comes, you have to write it below and that above. For the numerator we have to write it above. For the denominator we have to write it below. First we are doing with 6, we wrote 6. Okay, so above we have to write and divide with 6. How much? 6 9s are 54. 3 will be remaining 38. 6 6s are 36. 2 will be remaining 24. 6 4s are 24. Right? So that is how it will get cancelled. Now 4 table is easy. 4 table is easy. We can directly divide with 4 table. What we will do? We will divide with 4 table now. So 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 will be remaining. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. So final answer will be 241. If you don't know the direct 24 table, this is how we have to do stepwise. Okay na? So once again I will tell the second question. See here. Okay, so here what is the question here? It is easy. 25 will come in 5 table. So we will divide with what? First we will divide with 5 table. Okay, after that we divided here with 4 table. Okay, so both we divided with 4 table after that. Okay, so above we have to write. So this, if it is below, if this is in below, we have to write below. Okay, 5 how much is 5? 25. 5 5s are how much? 25. You wrote 5 5 5s are 25. And for that above question also we have to divide with 5. 5 1s are 5. Then after that what we have to do? 4 is smaller, 0 you have to give. Next it will become 42. 5 8s are 40. 2 will be remaining 27. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be remaining. 5 5s are 25. Now again 5 is there. We will divide with again this one also with 5 and this one also with 5. So stepwise. So what we have to do? We have to go stepwise. So first step. This is the first step. First, this is the second step. This is the second. So these are the steps we are doing one by one. Second, second, above second, and below also second. Above first, below also first. That's how we have to do. So here let us divide with 5 now. So I am dividing with green. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 8 is 5 1s are 5. 3 will be remaining 35. 5 7s are 35. And then 5 1s are 5. So answer, final answer will be what? That is 2171. Okay. So our final answer will be what? 2171. Understood? So what we have to do? So this is the first step. This is the first step. Okay. And this is the second step. This is the second step. So to make you understand, I have written this. Okay now. So which is the smaller table, we have to do with that. Okay. Good. So once again I am explaining step method. Listen here. So what we have to do, students? That is here. It is like this, right? So this is 28. This is 28 divided by 28 is there. So we have to, yes, we can take 7 table. 7 table will be easy, right? 7 table. So 7 how much are 28? We have to divide and write it below. Where you have to write? You have to write it below. Yes, so 7 4s are 28. 4 you will write below. And here also we have to divide with how much? 7 only. Okay. So that is 7 how much are? 7 8 is 56. 7 zeros are 0. 80 answer will come. Understood? Yes, it will sometimes break and it will come back. Don't worry. Okay now? That is how we have to do. Okay. So you should go with easier method. If you can divide first with 4 also, because 4 7s are 28. You can divide with 7 also. Why we divide with 7? Because it will be easy. Directly 7 8s are 56. Otherwise we have to, when you divide it 4, it will be 4 1s are 4, then 1 will remain, 4 4s are 16. That will be little difficult. So direct it is, because 7 8s are 56. So we divide with 7. Easier we have to take it first. Understood? 7 you divided and wrote it below, and this you wrote it above. Okay na? Answer. Now what you have to do? We have to again divide with 4 now. 4 how much are? 4 2s are 8, and 4 how much are 0? 4 zeros are 0. So answer will be final 20. At last what you have to do? You have to do with the direct. 4 is there, directly you do it 4. Or if you want to write, you can write it also. If you want to write, you can write it also. Understood? Or you can do it directly. This is the first step we divided, and this is the second step we have divided. Understood? Yes? Okay, good. So this is how we do it. Understood? So what I will do now? Okay. So students, everyone has to do all these questions. I will give 5 minutes. How many questions? How much time I will give? 5 minutes. You have to complete in your book and send it in the WhatsApp. I will check in the WhatsApp group. Everyone write the question. Write down the questions. Here now I will explain you the questions how you do. Right? If anyone not able to do, listen here. So 52 is there. You can do with 2 table also. If you don't know which table it will come, you can do with 2 table also. So 2 how much are? 2 2s are 4. 1 will be remaining. 2 6 are 24. That is 6. 2 6 are 12. You do 12 here, 2 here also. So 2 how much are? 2 6 are 12, 1 will be remaining, 2 5 are 10, 1 will be 0, 2 5 are 0. Now 26 is there. Again it will come in 2 table. 2 how much are? 2 13s are 26. Here also you have to divide with 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 5 is there, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be remaining, 2 5s are 10, 3 25. Now 13 table. Directly you do with 13 table. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Remaining will be 6, it will become 65. 13 5s are 65. So answer will be 25 for this. Or you can do like easy method 1300. If you know, divided by 52. If you know 13 table, you know that 13 4s are 52. 13 you do, 13 4s are 52. 13 here easy, 13 1s are 13, 0 0. Now it is easy now. 4 table direct, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 will be remaining, 4 5s are 20, 25s are. Same answer will come. Right? Same answer will come. You have to do any method, same answer will come. Which is easy? If you feel with 2, you do with 2. If you feel easy with 13, you do with 13. If you feel easy with 4, you do with 4. Easy method. You have to do with easy method. Understood? So we have studied the step method, students. Now we will study the remainder. How to find the remainder and the quotient. Okay now. So here 58 divided by 4. So 58 divided by 4. That is 9 here. Sorry. 58 divided by 9. 9 how much are 58? It will not come in the table. So 9 6 are 54. 54 will come. Here it is 58. If you minus 54, 4 will be remaining. So 4 is the remainder. So what you should do? You should give a colon in between. So this is the answer. That is, we say it as quotient. And this is remaining. This is extra. This is remaining extra. Right? That we say it as a remainder. This we say it as remainder. Understood? Just you have to write this much. Okay na? One more question I will do. So here I will do little bigger one. Because 7 6 are here 42. 42 means remaining is 4 here. Here also 4 only. Okay? So quotient you write at as, so I will write directly here. So quotient is 6, remainder is 4. That is how you have to do. Once again extra bigger question I will do. 653 divided by 9. 9 how much are? 9 7s are 63. 63 here, 65 is there. 2 you take it forward. 23. 9 how much are 23? That is 9 2s are 18. 18 is gone from 23 means remainder will be 5 here. So quotient is 72. Remainder is 5. So this is how you have to write it. Understood? Yes? So will everyone be able to write this? Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Just whatever the remaining at last. Yes. So whatever is the remaining at last, you have to write that and done. Okay now? So one more question should I explain? 4, 5, 6, 10, any number of digits doesn't matter. You know division? Do it the division. That's it. Simple. Okay now? Here 1041 divided by 8 is there. How to do? 1041 divided by 8. You know division. 8 1s are 8. 2 is remaining. 8 3s are 24. Now 1 is smaller. You have to give 0. So that is 1 is remaining there. So 1 is remaining means here 1. So quotient here is 130 and remainder here is 1. Understood? Yes? So here it is little tricky but fine. 1 is smaller, you give 0 first. 1 is smaller, that is 0 first. Then that is remaining. Smaller, remaining, nothing is there. You write it like that only. Got it? So students, here in this question, that is 219.
Yeah, there is no remainder for the fourth one.
3. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
there is no remainder means write 0 here. So 3 7s are 21. 21 is divided. Gone. Now 3 3s are 9. Gone. No remainder. No remainder means remainder will be 0. Understood? completely divisible. Okay now, that you have to write.
Finish, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I did all
Okay.
of them as
So students, after this remainder you know how to find. Now we will do decimal division. What we learn? We learn decimal division. So once remainder is coming, we can completely divide it also by dividing in decimals. So how to do that decimal division? You do this homework also. Okay, remaining questions. So how do we do that in decimal division? We'll see here. Okay now. So see here. So 5, you know 38 divided by 5 it is. So 5 sevens are how much? 35. 35 means 3 is remaining. You write small. Next you write it as smaller. 3 is remaining. You write it here. Now 3 is smaller. Right? So what will you do? You will take point. What you will take? You will take point. Once you take point, you can take every time 1 0. How many zeros you can take? One. Every time 1 0 you can take. So after point you can take 1 0. It will become 30. So 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. So answer will be 7.6. Okay na? One more question I will do. Here. So why I have taken by divided by 5? It is easy. That is why I have taken first. Okay. So to make you understand. So 72 divided by 5 it is. So 5 how much are? 5 ones are 5. 2 will be remaining. It will become 22. 5 fours are 20. Then 2 will be remaining. You write it as small. So it is smaller. We have to take point. That 0 also we have to take. That is different. Okay. So the remaining part here 22 was there. After 22 the remaining part is smaller. The remaining part is smaller, that is why I have written small. Can you see here? I have written it as small next. Okay, remaining part it is. Don't be confused. From here, can you see? Yes? So that I have written here smaller. So that you have to take a point and it will become 0. You can take a 0 after decimal point. 5 fours are 20. So answer will be 14.4. Understood? So I have done with 5. Some more question I will do. Okay now? Yes. So see here. Let me divide with 8. 25 by how much? 8. How to do? 8 3s are 24. 24 is there. Remaining is 1. Write it as small. Write 24. So 1 is smaller, the remaining part is smaller. So we have to give a point. Then we can take 1 0 here. So it will become 10. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Then 10 is there. 8 gone means 2 will be remaining. Again you write it here. So already point is there. 2 is remaining. So it will become 20. 8 2s are 16. Right? 8 2s are 16. Then 16 means 4 will be remaining. So point is already there. So take a 0. 8 5s are 40. So 125. That is we said as 3.125 will be the answer. Got it? How to do? So will everyone be able to do like this? Yes? Students?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Sir, just scroll it up.
Now students, 33 divided by 6 question. How to do here? This is also easy. How to do? Here, write it down. Yeah, 33 divided by 6. Now 6 how much are 33? It will not come. 6 5s are 30. Now 3 will be remaining. Write it smaller. So it is smaller, so we have to give decimal. So next 0 you have to take. So 6 how much are 30? 6 5s are 30. Answer will be 5.5. Okay na? Easy. Okay. So students, now we did how to divide with the division. That is the decimal point. Now what we will do? We will divide the questions having decimal point. Okay na? Having decimal point. So if you see 12.4 divided by how much? 2. So there is already decimal point. 12.4 divided by 2. So nothing. What you have to do? When it point comes, you have to give the point. That's it. So divide it. 2 how much are 12? Normally you divide. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Now point came, give the point. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 6.2. When the point comes, then you have to give the point. That's it. Right? Understood? I will do this one. Now 54.02, that is the third question I am doing here. Divided by 2. Now you divide it. So 2 2s are 4 here, 1 is remaining, 2 7s are 14 here. Now point came, give the point. Point. 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. Answer is 27.01. Understood? So what we have to do when the point comes? When the point comes, then we just have to give the point. Okay now? So will everyone be able to do like this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very easy, isn't it? Okay, good. Yes. So some more question I will explain.
What is meaning of decimal point?
Decimal point we will learn. Going forward we will learn. Don't worry about it. So just you know how to do it. Okay, then we will learn afterwards. Okay now? So now here, next should we do? I will do this one. That is the fifth question. So 8.724 divided by 4. Now you divide it. 8 4 2s are 8. Point is there? Point. 4 how much are? 4 1s are 4. 3 will be remaining 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. Answer is 2.181. Okay now? Yes, everything is easy. Simple. Okay, so here little bit you may be confused in this question. Don't be. So this one and this one, not this one. These two questions you may get little confused. This one and this one. I will tell this. So 8.1 is there. 8.1 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81. But it is already smaller. So we have to give a point before 9 only. So the answer will be 0.9 it is. How much? 8 is smaller. We have to give 0. Right? Right? So we can take next means it is point. So we can take a next digit means 81. So 9 9s are 81. Understood? So I will explain once again. One more question. Okay now? So here that is 36. That is 3.6 divided by 6. Now 3 is smaller. So 0 you will give. When there is point you will give. It will become 36. 6 is the 36. So it will be answer 0.6. Understood? So here
Sir,
that
if it is smaller, we should put 0, sir.
yeah, when it is smaller in the starting, that is in the point. When it has point, when it is smaller we have to give point. Okay na? So one more question I am doing. That is 6.4 divided by 8. 6 is smaller. So we have to give 0. Point. So it will become 64. Now 8 8s are 64. Point 8 is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is how you have to do all the questions. Okay.